Welcome to another study session of the Christian Natural Health Network. The Christian Natural Health Network includes the Christian Academy of Natural Health, which provides online certification courses for Christians interested in becoming certified Christian herbalists. Today's study session will provide a brief introduction of tonic herbs, specifically bi-directional and multi-directional whole health tonics. Introduction. Herbal tonics are single herbs or herbal formulas that balance and normalize the biophysiological mechanisms of human body systems. It is interesting to note that God created a natural balancing mechanism within our body. In fact, when you study human physiology in school or college, you will learn about homeostasis. Homeostasis is an internal property that regulates and maintains a healthy, stable, and constant condition via positive and negative feedback control mechanisms. For example, your body was created by God to intrinsically regulate and maintain a normal balance of oxygen, glucose, proteins, hormones, etc. When a biological imbalance occurs, as with illness, disease, or injury, your body will begin to activate a variety of on and off feedback switches. During this amazing process, your body will attempt to try and bring the body back to normal ranges of function and balance. As Psalm 139 verse 14 declares, "You are truly fearfully and wonderfully made." Let's now discuss bi-directional and multi-directional tonics. Unlike recommending herbs for a specific or acute illness or condition, herbal tonics are usually given over longer periods of time, sometimes for a lifetime, to assist to increase or decrease the homeostatic processes of chronically imbalanced body systems. It is important to note that the imbalance may be one of too little or too much. Usually we think in terms of only helping someone who is sickly or weak, but sometimes illness may also be caused by an overcompensating or hyperactive body system. Unidirectional tonics are herbs that seem to work only one way, by either increasing or decreasing the homeostatic switch of a body system. Many poisonous herbs are considered to be of the unidirectional variety. Unlike unidirectional herbs, bidirectional and multidirectional tonics are beneficial herbs that can help regulate homeostasis in bidirectional or multidirectional pathways, depending on the condition. Bidirectional tonics are the true health tonics, and are an amazing creation of God that can somehow target and distinguish between normal and abnormal biological values and conditions. When your client comes to you for help, you must determine if the health condition is acute or chronic. If a health condition is acute, you should recommend herbal specifics, that is, herbs that are specific to a state of the acute and temporary illness or injury. If a health condition is chronic, you need to determine which body systems are imbalanced and in what way. That is to say, you must determine if a particular body system is too weak or too strong. Once the nature of the imbalance is determined, a whole herb bidirectional or multidirectional tonic can be recommended to help bring the affected body systems into a normal state of homeostasis, without affecting normal values. The right bidirectional herbal tonic and dose will also help maintain a long-term state of balance and healthy equilibrium. Here are some examples of tonic herbs categorized by body system. For the musculoskeletal system, horsetail grass, devil's claw, and alfalfa. For the digestive system, gentian root, dandelion root, and milk thistle. For the immune system, echinacea, ginseng, and astragalus. For the cardiovascular system, hawthorn berry, butcher's broom, and nopal-s. For the nervous system, valerian root, chamomile, and ginkgo biloba. For the female reproductive system, dong quai, cramp bark, and fenugreek. For the male reproduction system, saw palmetto, Siberian ginseng, and muira puama. And for the whole body system, yerba mate, Korean ginseng, and echinacea. Conclusion. Bidirectional and multidirectional tonic herbs are an amazing blessing from God, and every Christian herbalist needs to understand how to use them for God's glory, and to help others achieve whole health, wellness, and balance. We hope that this quick overview of tonic herbs was helpful. To learn more about becoming a Christian herbalist, please visit us at www.cnhnetwork.com. That's www.cnhnetwork.com. God bless, and until next time, may the Lord keep you and bless you, all according to His good and perfect will for your life.